Last month, I know we looked at footings and foundations and coming out of the ground. This month, we're focusing on the design process, how it started, what went into it, who was involved, and where it goes from here. In October of 2020, we really started talking with the district about the fact that another elementary school would likely be a need. We actually worked with about 15 different administrators in the district to tour multiple elementary schools, to look at different options of what people had been doing, look at how they were determining spaces, and that became the basis of the referenda that went to the board first for discussion and then to the voters.
A key component to design development is moving into a phase we like to call user groups. We meet with individual users of the spaces that get to provide input into their specific space so that the building is ultimately tailored to their needs.
We went on tours of multiple elementary schools to compare one type of space organization to another type of space organization.
Discussing the arrangement of the classrooms and how that relationship worked between classroom and extended learning environment. We also worked with the district and their security standards to make sure that those were implemented in the new elementary as well.
Design development is also where we go from two-dimensional to three-dimensional. So we're doing a series of renderings, modeling the spaces in the computer, and looking at what materials would go into the building and making sure that everything matches the district standards. Showing people the renderings of what the building's actually going to look like is really helpful in understanding what's being built.
We work really closely with the district and Loeffler to make sure that as we're taking each step in the design phase, we're staying on budget and on schedule. That leads us into completing the construction documents and bidding the project, which then leads into the construction of the building. Our role doesn't stop once construction starts. We work pretty much daily with the contractors to make sure that shop drawings are being reviewed and the building is essentially being built the way it was designed.
This is really exciting for us. For me, this is actually the 5th building I've worked on with the district as a new building, as well as countless other renovation projects. It's been a great long-term partnership, not only between us and the district, but also with Loeffler. It's really exciting when you see the building come together. You see people start getting excited when they see it come out of the ground, and can't wait to see it when it opens.